Welcome to our comprehensive guide on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy for earning passive income. By promoting products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. One of the key benefits of affiliate marketing is the ability to work from anywhere, at any time. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to find a suitable affiliate program or network. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can share with your audience. It's important to choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. Building trust with your audience is crucial for successful affiliate marketing. Track your affiliate marketing efforts and analyze the results to optimize your strategy. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Stay consistent and keep learning.